Punta na ako ng Lion Rock, guys. Lion Rock Park. Grabe, nagkandaligaw-ligaw. Hindi alam kung saan yung location na to. Pero ang ganda niya, guys. Malamig. About 2 minutes. Wow, very nice place, guys. My first time to come here. Buti lang di masyadong mainit. Dito pala yung place na magandang mag-jogging. I think also have some vehicles going here. Kanina pa talaga ako naliligaw, guys. First time mo? Yes, first time. You are my first time. This is my first time. Single file. Oh, Lion Rock. Lion Rock Country Park. This way. Oh, Wangtaisen District Council. Lion Rock Country Park. Okay, I'm going this way, guys. Kawawa yung pupunta dito mamaya na maraming dala.